How to find religious views settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find religious views settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here go down you will find profile information. Click on it and go down. Here you will find your birthday. Click this pin here and go down until you find religious views, and here you can manage it, and then just click save. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.